Plant power daily refers to the practice of consuming a significant portion of one's diet from plants, emphasizing vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and legumes for both health and environmental reasons. This dietary trend emerged in recent decades as growing concerns about human health and sustainability led to increased awareness of its benefits. In 1970s, North America, nutritionists began promoting vegetable-rich diets, but it was not until the early 2000s that plant power daily gained mainstream popularity. The emergence of this dietary approach can be attributed partly to the success of the Mediterranean diet in improving heart health and longevity, which incorporated moderate amounts of plant-based foods. Key developments include studies showing a correlation between high intakes of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes with reduced risks of chronic diseases such as diabetes and certain cancers. In 2015, researchers from Harvard School of Public Health reported that individuals consuming at least 5 servings of vegetables per day had a 47% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to those who ate less than 1 serving daily. Meanwhile, the global food industry responded by incorporating more plant-based ingredients into their products. While proponents argue that plant power daily supports sustainable agriculture and biodiversity preservation efforts, critics point out concerns over potential nutrient deficiencies if not properly planned or supplemented. Major turning points include widespread adoption during the pandemic period, when home cooking and meal planning became more prevalent. As of 2023, approximately 15% of global food production comes from plant-based sources, with this percentage expected to double by 2050 as health benefits continue to outweigh concerns. In terms of societal impacts, a study conducted between 2020 and 2022 found that people adhering strictly to a plant-powered daily diet experienced an average weight loss of 5 kilograms over a 6-month period. This aligns with evidence suggesting that vegetarian diets contribute significantly more fiber per day than typical Western diets, aiding in digestion and satiety regulation while reducing cholesterol levels. However, the transition from animal-based foods to plant-based meals can lead to initial nutrient deficiencies without proper planning. Future projections predict continued growth in demand for alternative proteins, such as legumes, algae, fungi, and insects due to rising concerns over environmental sustainability and food security issues related to population growth and climate change impacts. By 2050, it is estimated that 1/3 of global meat production will shift towards plant-based alternatives, driven by technological innovations in lab-grown protein products. Optimizing the long-term efficacy of plant power daily involves addressing potential challenges through targeted research on optimal dietary patterns tailored to individual health needs and geographical food availability. Integration with emerging technologies such as AI-driven nutrition apps could further enhance personalized recommendations for diverse populations worldwide.